Aloha! It's just another beautiful day in paradise. Right over here behind me, I have what used to be one of my old 12-foot gate panels. You can see right here by that damage in the spot that during Hurricane Iselle, when it came by the island, the neighbor's guavas, great big heavy guava, came down, crashed on my gate, left a dent in it back there, and then broke it down by the hinge. So we replaced it with a new one that won't rust as easily, made out of galvanized metal. This one here was a painted metal gate. It had the pig wire in it, which is a nice thing because I'm converting this into a nursery table. It was a pretty simple job. All we did, we took 4 6-foot long galvanized steel US made fence posts, drove them in using a level so I could tell, you know, what was flat here, and then just went ahead and set the whole gate panel on top of those posts at the corners here where it was welded and wired it in. Get a closer look. Here you can see what happened. The posts come, they already have a hole drilled through them here at the top. So I just took a piece of wire, put it through the hole, wired everything down. Over here on this end, I also used a cross piece of some guava wood, put it in there, catches the tabletop real nice, steadies it up pretty good. I may add a Z-brace between the 2 posts down on that end. I think it'll make it stiffer, but this table is intended really for starting seeds on. There won't be anything too heavy. So I'm pretty excited. Usually I never have enough nursery tables around here, and most of them, like this guy right over here, they cost me plenty because that expanded or welded steel galvanized is expensive. The pipes I'm using underneath there to support it are expensive. The blocks are expensive, you name it. We got lots of nice nursery tables around here, but I just added one more out of recycled materials on the cheap. I am so excited. Have a nice recycle project back here. Like I say, with nursery tables, never have enough of them. So if anybody else out there has got another gate that got busted up or rusted out, and you've been thinking of just hauling it to the dump, you might want to build a nursery table out of it. Save you a lot of money. Aloha. Have a nice day.